Hey my friends, another single swing gate. It's a big one. It's got these reinforced corners. It's got a 5mm plate. You kind of need that for a single swing gate. It's got this heavy duty 100 by 100 steel post and steel cap. This one here, you can see, I'll come back a bit. It's quite big. It's like 3.8 or something like that. Single swing. You want to go for a single swing if you just want to have more space. This one opens out, which is a little bit unusual. It just means that the hinges are going to be on the outside. So you need to think about that if you're going to be opening your gate out. Has a tie back on the bottom here. Show you what it's like closed. These pull latches are pretty cool. They can just get mounted to the front like that. So there you go. You can see how we actually cut the bottom of this gate to make the gap underneath a consistent sort of 40mm. So you know that gate's been made 40mm longer at that side. You can only really do that as long as the ground sort of slopes away. You have to think about the gate scraping on the ground when you're coming out at all times, depending on how you're hinging it. This one could have easily gone inwards, but the reason they didn't want to go inwards is because they're going to have a boat or a trailer or something in there, and obviously if the gate opens inward, a big single swing, you're going to end up hitting whatever you've got on the inside there. So this one's got these 90mm verticals, 19mm verticals square. So square is quite strong. If you're looking for something strong, that's what you want. And also these rear mounted heavy duty hinges are quite cool, but you can see it's gone all the way through. So these are a 20mm gudgeon. It's got a little bit of adjustment inside of the actual hinge, and it's got this little sort of ball joint, rotation joint, and we've just used these sort of heavy duty tech screws. They've got a little piece of rubber. So normally you might not want to use these on a real heavy gate. Normally we can use what are called rivet nuts, but I've tested these many times, and they're bulletproof. They survive even on automatic gates at the moment. So that's a single swing gate with a raking bottom that opens out with a pull latch with these heavy duty rear mounted hinges. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.